This is HILASER. To bring the fun of DIY engraving to more people, our team has been dedicated to thorough R&D of laser engraving machines. After many days and nights of hard work, we finally integrated a 455 nanometer blue laser for non-metal engraving and a 1064 white laser for metal engraving into this innovative, powerful and precise laser engraver, the HILASER Z41. It can engrave virtually all non-metallic, including wood, leather, paper, food, fruit, bones, plastic, acrylic, glass, and more. In addition, it engraves on metals such as gold, silver, copper, and iron. With Z41, you can effortlessly engrave on just about anything that comes to mind. Z41 adopts a detachable splicing design. With the lift, you can engrave horizontally or vertically. Or you can break the limitations of static engraves and use it handheld to engrave on large objects. Z41 lets you enjoy the pleasure of creating anytime and anywhere. With a single touch of a button, you can preview your engraves intuitively. With the exclusive mini roller, Z41 allows you to unlock more creativity by engraving rings, cups, pens, and other cylindrical objects. If you don't have much demand for metal engraving, we have two other new products for you, the Z3 and the Z4. The Z4 is a base version of the Z41. It has all the same features as the Z41, except for the 1064 nanometer white laser. Z4 can engrave exquisite detail on most daily objects, even including some metals. Z3 is an ultra-powerful laser engraver with 455 nanometer blue laser that is foldable to be ultimately portable. Featuring an autofocus feature, it can automatically lift and focus with only one button. When the height of the surface changes, you only need to touch the focus button, then the engraver can automatically refocus instantly. This efficient feature lets you spend more time on creative engraving. We also made overall improvements to the safety of the products. All three models of Engraver have built-in inductive gyroscopes, which will stop the laser when the device is tilted or moved. When no object is detected in the focal length, the built-in ranging sensor will also stop the laser. During the engraving process, a magnetic, acrylic, foldable protection plate can be fitted to prevent injury from the laser. With all these productive measures, you can enjoy the fun of laser engraving in complete safety. This is HILASER, which opens the door to laser engraving and customization for everyone.